Good morning, class 8. Today we have chapter parallelogram. Collateral I have explained in the previous period collateral, but now you see different types of quadrilateral. I would like to remind whatever you have learned in quadrilateral. If we take 4 points and any 3 of them are not in a straight line, if any 3 of them are not collinear, and if you join these 4 points in order, so you will form a quadrilateral. Or in simple words, any figure which is surrounded, enclosed, bounded by 4 sides, that is quadrilateral. In quadrilateral you must have studied there are 4 sides, 4 angles, 4 vertices, and there are 2 diagonals. I have explained, and you have also learned types of angles, but now you see adjacent sides, opposite sides, adjacent angles, opposite angles, what are the diagonals, all these things you have learned. So different types of quadrilateral. Today we will, although this is the name of the chapter is parallelogram, but you will also learn in this rectangle, a square, a rhombus, trapezium. So all these are quadrilateral. ट्रेपेजियम में एक और है आइसोलेस ट्रेपेजियम. Isosceles trapezium, rectangle, square, rhombus, trapezium, isosceles trapezium, coil. Or so now you see parallelogram. I explained parallelogram is that quadrilateral in which both opposite pair of sides are parallel, and if they are parallel, they are natural, they are automatically equal. So you can define that quadrilateral in which both pair, how many sides? 4 sides. So there will be 2 pair. Opposite pair of sides are AB and CD in this figure. Another pair BC and AD, opposite. And AD and DC are adjacent sides. You should remember. So quadrilateral in which both opposite pair of sides are equal and parallel. Here I would like to make it clear, if opposite sides are equal, both pair, so natural, this is automatically opposite side will be parallel. And if opposite sides are parallel, they will be automatically opposite side equal. So in the definition, either you can say the quadrilateral and with both pair of opposite sides parallel, that is parallelogram. Or if you say quadrilateral in which both pair of opposite side equal, so that will be also called parallelogram. So this is the definition. These are special kinds of quadrilateral. So AB parallel CD, and AB is equal to CD. ये equal भी होगा parallel. And second is AD parallel BC, and automatically AD will be equal to B. So this is parallelogram. Now you see what are the properties. What are the properties of parallelogram? Properties में देखें. First property, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel. And these are diagonals, you know very well. So diagonals, कौन-कौन इसमें diagonal है? AC and BD. The line segment which joins the opposite angles, that is called diagonal. BD is a diagonal because it joins the opposite angles B and D. And similarly, AC is the another diagonal which joins the opposite angle C and A. And there will be maximum two diagonals in a parallelogram, in any quadrilateral. In all these are quadrilateral because they are all enclosed by four sides. But these are special kinds of quadrilateral. We can say rectangle, square, rhombus, trapezium, coit, all are quadrilateral. But parallelogram is also quadrilateral because all are enclosed by four sides. So properties, opposite angles are equal. Angle B is equal to angle C. Angle C is equal to angle A. And important properties, the diagonal bisect each other. The diagonal bisect the other diagonals. Therefore, क्या हो जाएगा? AO is equal to OC. AO is equal to OC. And similarly, BO is equal to OD. These are some properties of parallelogram. I repeat the properties. In parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. In parallelogram, the diagonal bisect each other. So AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD. And other property is the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree. यानी angle A plus angle B adjacent angles है. So याद रखिएगा. इसी तरह से इधर में भी हो सकता है. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. और भी हो सकता है. Angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. और हो सकता है angle D plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So these are properties of parallelogram. I will explain one by one because you should understand also. So today we are in chapter parallelogram. So parallelogram is also quadrilateral. बोले क्यों सर? Because parallelogram is also figure which enclosed by four sides. But important is this is a special kind of quadrilateral. What are the properties of quadrilateral? Quadrilateral में properties था कि the sum of measure of all angles of any quadrilateral is always 360 degree. कि जितने भी quadrilateral हैं इन सबों में चारों एंगल्स का सम हमेशा 360. Either that is a simple quadrilateral or a parallelogram or square, rectangle. So that properties of quadrilateral also in all these special kinds of quadrilateral. So sum of all angles. But in parallelogram, I would like to revise in parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which opposite pair outside, two pair of opposite sides, AB and CD, BC and AD. So these two sides are equal and parallel. If they are equal, they are automatically parallel. And if they are parallel, they are automatically equal. So if you mention both properties, equal and parallel, that is also correct. And if you say only opposite pair of sides are parallel, so that is also correct. So properties of parallelogram, opposite pair of sides are parallel. Number 2, opposite pair of sides are equal. Number 3, opposite pair of opposite angles are also equal. And number 4, the diagonal bisect each other at, the diagonal only bisect means the diagonals, एक diagonal दूसरे को bisect करता. Bisect means to divide into two equal parts. So BD is divided into two equal parts, TO and OB. And similarly, BD bisecting AC, so AO is equal to OC. And next property is the sum of any two adjacent angles is 180 degree. So these are properties of parallelogram. And next day I will explain also rectangle, square, rhombus, trapezium, isosceles trapezium, choroid, etc. So all these things I will explain later on, because it will be more if we want to explain all this. So that's all for today. Parallelogram, and you will remember all the properties. That's all. And thank you, and have a nice day.